September design team project for Calico Collage, and the kit is called Charming Forest, and I will link all the information below. This kit was so fun to work with. It has blues and greens and pinks and yellows. It has so many beautiful colors. I love it. Right up my alley. I haven't made a charm in a while, so I thought it would be time, and I put some garment clips, a tree, a wooden heart, and a button, using some of the scraps that I had left over from the fabric in the journal. And then for the cover, I did a kind of a collage with fabric and then one of the tags from the kit, and then some vintage buttons that I have in my stash. And for the closure, I did a long ribbon because if you look, it's already getting pretty big. I actually had to take some pages out of a couple of the signature because it was just getting too big and I hadn't even added tags. So I wanted to make room. I used some of this kind of shabby chic looking fabric in the front. And then this is, I think, some of my new favorite scrapbook paper line, or I didn't say that correctly, but you know what I'm trying to say. It's called Stamperia. Anyway, it's a company that's not based in the US, and their paper is perfect for journals. It's just gorgeous, and it's two-sided. So I have this ribbon that I thought kind of went with the shabby chic kind of look that I was going for, so you'll see this throughout. This is one of the beautiful pages from her journal kit. I just love it. It has the birds and the flowers. There's some text. It's so pretty. And then to kind of go with the forest theme, I was thinking pressed flowers might go on a journal. So I have the Tim Holtz little flowers. So throughout the book, I punched out some different papers and made it kind of, you know, like a pressed flower or branch kind of thing. I didn't coffee stain this paper. I thought with shabby. Good grief. With the shabby chic look, I kind of wanted it to stay white. However, with the tags, I did distress some of the tags. And this is a file folder, a craft color file folder. Wow, file folder, and then some of the kit, and I just made a quick little tag with this one. And a bicycle built for two, that's part of her kit. And then made a little cluster down here. Butterfly scrapbook paper. A little tag. You could do some journaling on the back. And I left a lot of strings. I usually cut my strings, but I'm trying something a little different. And then I have this really cool book page. And added some lace to that. Another beautiful page. I added some washi just because she already had some washi, and I just added some so there's actual like a different texture there. Very subtle. Another tag, and I have the lace to match the lace pocket. Some fun little doodad things in here tucked in this pocket. I love how she made this butterfly pocket. It's really cute. It's part of the kit. Excuse me. I haven't talked much. I've been working on a journal. Another scrapbook page, and then this, I had this in my stash, a piece of paper, and I thought it went well with the forest theme. Butterfly washi, a little fabric tuck. Another beautiful page from her kit. Some yellow to kind of match the journal. Some washi. I used washi. sorry, I'm coughing. I used washi throughout the book because she has it on her journal pages. And I thought that would be kind of fun, and who doesn't love a little washi? Little butterflies on my little strings. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. And then more washi, some more lace, a dictionary page, a washi page. Here's the other half of that book page. No, this is that's not a book page. This is you know, a notebook pad. Here's another, my goodness. Here is another tag that I made. Isn't that cute, the little fox? The other half of the book page. Here's a little bird, kind of match the forest theme. And I love this. They're out in the forest, and the bird and the bunny, and some of that fabric. And here's some more die cuts. So they look like pressed flowers. A couple tags. My dogs are chasing the cat right now. Oh, never a dull moment. And then I made a little fabric pocket. Fabric pocket. You would have thought I'd been drinking before I made this video, but I have not. I have not. Here's a little tag. So this I thought was kind of fun, since there's a little bit of space in the middle. I thought this would be kind of fun to add. This is Life is Sweet, so there's a little envelope, napkin, and this is cork, and then some lace, and then I just put some fun goodies. I have a couple tags in here. I thought that would be kind of a fun extra little tuck right there. And here's some goodies tucked in. And another, let's see if I can say it, fabric pot. This isn't a pocket though. This is just fabric on the pocket. Oof. And I thought this was fun and different. Some washi and scrapbook paper. Here's one of the butterflies. I did some butterfly stamping. And I made some clusters with our little cut aparts. Another beautiful page. I love it. Oh, I need something to stick in there. I'll have to go back and put something in there. Add some washi to her already washied page. And there's another center. And another tuck spot for a tag. Some more washi, more stamping, another flower. Lots of room for journaling and writing. And then I have a little lace and cut apart tuck spot right there. More washi. Another little tag. Tucked in. Some more of that lace. And butterflies. And that's the back. So isn't that fun? So cute. Love, love, love this kit. Again, I will have the link below. I will also have this in my Etsy shop soon. Hopefully by the time I upload this video. We will see if I'm that good. Oh, thanks for sticking with me through the coughing and the animals running around and my inability to speak. Thanks again. If you haven't, I would love for you to like and subscribe and come on back for more problem speaking in my next video. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.